The Zimbabwe gold was introduced when the economy was seemingly on its last legs. The new currency has brought hope, and the public appears to be warming up to it.
Yeah, so far rakambotanga kuita madowns notoona ngosi tawanda understand kushandisa mazigi but nekuzoramba tichivatsanangurirawo kuti hazvina mutsauko kanyanya kunyanya kuti zvinototibetserawo pabusiness kuti takona makarensi ese saka tinotichishandisa bank rate ye13.950 saka vanhu vakuzvinzwisisawo vakuunderstandawo kuti at least munhu wese akwanisa kutenga hatizorambawo tichishaya makastoma mushopu totiwo any current tinochitambira mushopu medu.
While its performance has been impressive, a shortage of change is affecting trade.
Mazigi, especially tiri kumushandika. Mazigi ari kunetsa panyaya dzechange. Because small amounts like my coins ndo mawani ndo arira mashoma saka sometimes tutuzoshandise mazigi acho zvinhu zvakutonetsa.
Achitokumbira hurumende yakaintrodusa maziga kuti imapinze mucirculation isu timawane timashandise zvitiitire nyore mumakombi unobatanidzwa nevamwe vanhu vokutoti munotenderera taundi yese muchitsvaga change.
Despite the recent injection of new notes and coins, the gap has not been filled.
We're now joined live on the line by the chairperson of the Consumer Protection Commission, Dr. Mthokozi Nkosi, to explore the subject further. Good evening, Dr. Nkosi. The exchange has somewhat stabilized over the past months. Have you, as a commission, seen the same stability in terms of perhaps the pricing of goods and services?
Yes, we have seen a relative stability of the prices. True, the exchange rate is stabilized, but what we urge the business community to do is to avoid being deceitful, misrepresentation, because the fact that the rate has been stable, there are some unscrupulous and ethical businesses who will raise the US dollar component and then pretend as if they are not changing the price of their goods when using the official exchange rate. So it's something that we urge the business community to guard against, but we are very happy because we have seen some relative stability, and I think this is good for purpose of planning. Even the consumer, you know, when they earn their salaries in local currency terms, I think they have got that edge to say I can actually budget my money over a period. So this is a very good move.
Now, it seems that the demand for more ZIG notes continues to somewhat strengthen. What do you think in this case needs to be done?
Yes, I think what we have seen over the past few days or so, we have seen an increase in the amount of ZIG, and in particular the smaller denominations, because the consumers were having problems in shops. They will be asked to get something in exchange for change. You could be asked to get some sweets, asked to get some biscuits and stuff like that, something that is not on your budget, which highly inconvenient. I think even if you're looking at the commuting public, you also had issues to do with change, a distance that normally costs 50 cents, you'll be charged $1 because of the issue of change. But we are very happy that the monetary authorities have positively responded, and I think we need a lot more of the ZIG currency to be introduced in the market. However, it's equally important that we guard against an oversupply, especially of the local currency, because too much of a currency chasing possibly too few goods, that will result in the lead to inflationary pressures. So it's something that we consider the authorities to obviously gradually pour in more ZIGs but with a view to ensure that they do not overdo it, so that we do not go back to the previous days and also erode what I would say the benefits that we've already accrued.
Konapo Konapo, Ipapo Ipapo pa ZTN Prime, DSTV channel 294, the place to be.